Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a program on finding the occurrence in a given paragraph. So the user can give a word and we need to find the occurrence in that given paragraph. So guys, I've taken one random paragraph here. This is my Java program and I will find the occurrence of one character in this program. So this is the given paragraph. Now I will take one word which we are going to look in this paragraph. So let's take an example of this. So this has occurred here twice. So let's take this word. So guys, there are multiple ways of doing this program, but I am taking one of the method which is already inbuilt method here equals. So I will take that method and then we will try to solve this program. If you are looking for more methods, just give me a comment. I will do that in other ways also. So we are going to find this here. Now I will write a method public static void and find occurrence, and we are going to pass the paragraph and we will be passing this string word. So I will call this method in main method and we are passing the input parameter as paragraph and word. As it is a static method, so we are not going to create the object of this method, this class. So let's just write the logic now. So we have got the paragraph. I will use one method split. So the split method returns the array. So it is a string, so it will return string array, and it is going to be str. Now we will take this paragraph dot split, and we will split this at the space. So guys, what it will do? It will give me a string array, and that will contains each word. So the array will be this is my Java program and so on. Now I will do one for loop here. Int I is equal to 0 and it will go till the length less than str length, and then we are going to increment this. Now before doing that, I will take one count is equal to 0. So what it does, I've taken one count. I will use one method here. So str at I, this equals, guys, if you want to ignore the case sensitive thing, there is another method. Let me just show you. Let me just do it with this and then I will show you with ignore case also. So equals this, and this is going to return the boolean thing. So if this has this equals this, then it will return the true, otherwise it will return false. So I will use if condition here, and if this finds it, I will just do count plus plus. Now guys, you can take the int also. So what we can do, we can return count here, and here we can just do s5so, and we are just calling this method. So simply we can just do here inside this system.out.println. Let me save this. Let me run this. So guys, it is finding this only once because I have used equals. Now if I do, let me just do this. Now guys, it is taking this 2. So instead of doing equals, there is another method. Give me a second guys. Ignore this, there is a method. I don't know why it is not giving. Let me just remove this section. Okay, I got it, why it is not giving. Okay. Yes, so there was another extra word. Because of that, it was not giving the method. But now it is showing me another method equals ignore case. So here you can just use the word this, and now you can just make it caps, and it should give you the print of 2. There's a syntax error. I'm just correcting it. So let's see. Here, this is a case sensitive thing, but it is still taking 2 because we have just written a method to ignore all the case sensitive thing. So guys, this is it. If you want to just do the enhancement, you can add few more words. The occurrence of word is. Now let's run it. You can just add one more extra space here just to make it look quite pretty. Okay. So guys, this is it. You can change the word here. You can change the paragraph. It should give you the correct answer. So thank you for watching this program. Hope you like it and enjoy. Please hit like and comment on this video. If you want to do this program with another method, please do let me know in comment section, and please subscribe to my channel.